What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gigi. I was challenged to get these girls' numbers without talking, and that's a good challenge because probably none of these girls gonna do it, but let's give it a try. Remember to stay lit, man. Stay lit. Let's do it.
Excuse me? What? You want my phone number? Oh, no, no thanks.
Huh?
No.
Oh, cool.
Pardon?
Oh, cool.
No thanks.
Oh no, sorry. I have a boyfriend. I can't. Sorry. I can't.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. Okay. What's your name? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Oh, sir? Oh, okay. You're. Oh, okay. You know what? You can just text me. Sorry, I'm kind of tired today.
Yeah. What made you put your number on my phone?
I don't know. I mean, it just seemed like a nice thing to do. You seem nice.
Oh, all right, cool. You put it in there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm about to text you right now, all right?
Okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
What you trying to get me to do?
Huh?
What you trying to get me to do? I figured.
Nah, we shoot this YouTube. What made you give me your video? I mean, your number first.
Just because came
Just
up and
'cause.
asked. Yeah. Okay. Weird. There you go.
So what made you give me your number?
I don't know. I heard what? I was like,